Sakuraco and Bokksu are both Japanese snack box subscription services that we love. They're similar in their offerings and the snacks are equally delicious. But which one is better? In our Sakuraco vs Bokksu review, we'll be looking into some factors to help you decide which is worth it. Some areas we'll be looking into are the amount of snacks you'll get, sweet versus savoury nibbles, quality of the snacks, how exclusive or rare these are, value for money, and overall experience of each Japanese snack box subscription. If you want our full Sakuraco vs Bokksu review, you can head over to our site where we go into more detail. On average, Bokksu has 20 to 22 treats, while Sakuraco has 20 treats. For Bokksu, we received 22 snacks, including a tea bag, and for Sakuraco, we got 20, including 2 artisan tea blends. Although Bokksu had more snacks, on average, the size of the snacks was slightly smaller compared to Sakuraco. From a quantity perspective, we do think it's roughly the same, so it's a tie between both these Japanese snack boxes. We then compared the number of sweet and savoury snacks in each box. Both boxes lean towards having more sweet snacks than savoury. Let's start with Sakuraco. Our box had roughly 10 sweet and 3 savoury types. Even though it is more sweet focused, for Sakuraco, they curate their snack selection to match their monthly tea blends. There was also a lot more variety in the sweet snacks here too. What we mean by that is that some are a bit more sweet and some are just mildly sweet, but overall all of them pair extremely well with their monthly tea blends. Meanwhile, for Bokksu, we got 10 sweet and 5 savoury types of snacks. But because the size of the sweet snacks are a lot smaller, it's still an okay balance between the two types. Though we did notice that the sweet snacks here generally tasted a lot less sweet across the board, while the savoury snacks were a lot more salty or sour compared to Sakuraco. For us, this was a little more mature for our taste buds. But both snack boxes will suit someone with a sweet tooth. As someone who does love sweet food, Sakuraco wins our round for having more variety between sweet and savoury that balanced well with the tea we got. If you're looking for a more savoury filling snack box, do check out our video on Tokyo Treat vs Bokksu, another Japanese snack box subscription. Let us start this round by saying that both brands have great quality snacks, but have a slightly different focus. Bokksu seem to have more of a focus on highlighting their collaboration with snack makers and being more premium. We got this impression because the snacks are smaller, bite-sized, and delicate. Most of their snacks have their own branding or are exclusively made for them by Japanese artisan snack makers. Meanwhile, Sakuraco focuses on creating an authentic Japanese tea time experience while showcasing Japanese culture. So the snacks here are traditional Japanese sweets and small savoury snacks that would pair well with the tea blends they've selected. They partner with family-owned tea and snack makers to ensure the quality and go into a lot more heartfelt detail about them in their guide. So in terms of quality of the snacks for Sakuraco vs Bokksu, we really think it's tied. From our perspective, although Bokksu made it very obvious through its packaging that the snacks are of good quality, you can also tell from reading the guide that Sakuraco's snacks are equally good, just they don't market it via the packaging. Nonetheless, both brands taste so delicious and take the legwork out of you for finding the snacks by yourself. If you've tried out the snack boxes, let us know in the comments what did you think about the quality of the snack. Sakuraco is cheaper than Bokksu for their monthly and annual subscription plans. Sakuraco's one-off no subscription option is still relatively affordable if you wanted to try them out once. While for Bokksu, their one-off plan is a lot more expensive, and we can understand why people would be kind of hesitant to try them out. But the price does justify their premium quality packaging, bite-sized artisan nibbles that are really good. But for us, Sakuraco is more worth it than Bokksu on the value for money round. In terms of overall experience, Sakuraco really created a Japanese tea time experience for us because of how everything just tied together so well. You can instantly guess what the monthly theme is from the snacks. The cultural events and stories from the guide paint a picture, and the tea pairing with the snacks just tasted so great together. We also love how with every Sakuraco box, there's also some sort of Japanese homeware included, so you have something to keep after every box once you finish the snacks. Meanwhile for Bokksu, the monthly theme for the first box is always Seasons of Japan, which was a little too broad for us to instantly relate to, and we had to read the guide to figure it out. We understand that it's meant to first give you a taste of Japan before going into more depth, but overall, the experience didn't feel as special compared to Sakuraco. In terms of overall experience, Sakuraco is better than Bokksu if you're looking for a Japanese tea time experience. So having gone through all those points, our verdict for Sakuraco vs Bokksu is that both boxes are very similar, but Sakuraco is slightly better in terms of value and creating a themed experience. If you want a variety of both traditional and modern snacks that pair well with artisan, delicious tea blends, feel connected to the local people and culture in a well-curated monthly subscription box at a more affordable price point, then Sakuraco is better than Bokksu for you. But if you're someone who loves the feel of premium packaging, enjoys your tea with artisan, delicate treats that will taste more smooth for a mature palate, reading more about your snacks, and you don't mind the higher price tag, Bokksu is for you. If you found this review useful, do give this a video a thumbs up. Also, tell us in the comments below what you wish was included in a Japanese snack box.